Hi, this is Derek with OfficeForNewbies.com, and today we're going to go over how you can insert a table of content into your Microsoft Word document. There's two different ways to do this. We're going to go over the easiest way first. The easiest way is going to involve setting your headings for your chapters and any subchapters, and then you're going to insert your table of contents automatically. The second method is to create bookmarks, and then from there you can insert your links manually. The first method we're going to do is the easier method. So what you're going to do is go to each of your chapter headings, select them, and just come up here to your heading and set it as heading 1. Now you can create your own headings if you want to. I'm going to go over how to do that in a separate video. I don't want to tie up the length of this video too much if you already know how to do that. It's not that complicated. But I do want to keep that to a separate video. So you can see here I've set each of my 5 chapters as a heading. So now I want to insert my table of contents here. So I'll go over to the References tab, Table of Contents, and then they've got automatic ones set up for you already, or you can go under the Custom Table of Contents. So we're going to click that. Here, when this pops up, you can actually come in, and if you have a heading 1, 2, or 3, or let's say you only have a heading 1 or 3, or you've created your own custom headings and you've called it something else, you can come in here. You can come in here under Options, and you can see here is a list of all your available styles. Any custom styles you create will show up here, and you can collect those, and then you can set your table of content level. So for now, what we have automatically is just going to work. Everything, right? If you click Show Page Numbers, it'll show the page numbers, all that fancy stuff. So we just click OK. And you can see here, it just inserted my table of contents. Let me zoom back up. So you can see from here, these are all links. So this works great for ebooks. I can just come in here, and if I hold down Control and click on Chapter 5, say, it'll take me right to Chapter 5. So that's what you need to do for creating your table of contents. And you can see over here in the navigation pane, it added these for me automatically. So it's another great method to use if you're going back and forth in your book. Now, the cool thing, the thing I love about it, is let's say we come in here and chapter 3 is longer, right? So now notice how chapter 4 starts on page 7. So if I come back up to the table of contents, this is wrong. It tells me 6. So all I need to do is right click on it and click Update Field. And for this case, I'm just going to click Update Page Numbers automatically. And you can see it just updated the numbers for chapter 4. Oh, you can't see. Let me zoom in here. There. So you can see here it just updated the page number for chapter 4 to change it to page 7 instead of page 8. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to do the same thing, but just inserting links and using bookmarks. This way is helpful if you want to do more custom type stuff. But in 9 times out of 10, using the first method should work well for you. Okay, so to come in and insert a bookmark, what you're going to do is select the text that you wanted to highlight, and let's see. Okay, we're going to go. Had a brain fart there for a second. We're going to go to Insert. Bookmark, and then I can just call this whatever I want. So I'm going to call it chapter 1. Doesn't let you have spaces in here for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, chapter 1. Do the same thing. Insert bookmark, chapter 2. So I'm just going to click each of my chapters and insert my bookmark. Chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. Whoops. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm just going to come in under this one. Let me zoom in here so you can see. I'm going to come in under this one, and I'm going to say Chapter 1. Now I'm going to click this text, and I'm going to insert. I'm going to go to Insert Hyperlink here, and then I'm going to click over here, Places in this document, and you can see here it's already grabbed your headings, so you can use that. But in the case that you didn't want to use headings, these wouldn't be shown. And you can see you've got your bookmarks. So I'm just going to do Chapter 1. Just like that. It's that easy. So sometimes if you get into more complicated formatting, I find that the bookmarks actually can work a little better for you. You can see it does take considerably longer to do. But you get the exact results you're looking for. Oh. So that's basically it. Let me make sure I've covered everything here. Finish this last one up. So you could see the first and easier method is to set all of your headings. And then from there, all you do is go to References and then Table of Contents. They've got pre-formatted ones, or you can create your own custom one. The more difficult method that gives you a little bit more control, you're going to come into Insert, Bookmark, create your bookmarks for each of your different areas, and then you're going to create your text, select it, and then insert a hyperlink, click Places in this document, and then you've got your places all there automatically. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for following this Office for Newbies tutorial.